2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.